I'm just going to go slow, man. He came with a warning. I'm going to keep it slow. Alright, so I think I got the GoPro working. I'm riding on Jimmy's GoldWing. As we were leaving his place, it wasn't working. We stopped back there. He was going to give us a warning about how steep this was and some hair. Yeah, hold on. I was talking to the GoPro. Yeah, so he was giving us a warning how steep it was and just be really careful for a hairpin turn at the bottom, and he'd meet us at the stop sign. So I'm coming down the hill just a little bit cautious, but I haven't seen anything that needed to be concerned about yet. Yeah, so I'm bringing up the rear, and Armando will warn me with the Cardo communicator if something comes up. And now I got so far behind Armando, I guess he dropped off my comms. I guess the motovlog thing is best when you're not on comms with somebody. One thing about this GoldWing is it's not easy to get my left boot up underneath the shift lever. I have to intentionally articulate my foot in a way that's not quite as ergonomic. I don't know, it's not uncomfortable, it doesn't hurt. Yeah. Yeah, you just drop off the comms a little bit. I mean, I was going 55 miles an hour there. Why could I not keep up? Because I slow down in the corners more than y'all. Well, that guy wanted to come into my lane around the corner. You got to watch out for that, huh? Truckers reduce gear. This is probably the part he's talking about. Oh yeah, this is good. I'm glad I slowed down for it. I hear some weird noise. Is it crickets? I finally caught back up. So Mondo, I was saying I got the GoPro, I think I got it started up. So sometimes if I say I'm talking to the GoPro, it means it's for the YouTube video. And it means I'm not asking you a question. Do you hear me? I'm garbled? Yeah, I said sometimes if I start a sentence that says I'm talking to the GoPro, it means I'm not asking you anything, so I'm just narrating for the YouTube video. You know what I mean? You're not hearing me at all, are you? Okay. I just want you to know that if I say I'm talking to the GoPro, I'm not looking for an answer. I'll just be rambling on about something to people that know less than me, which is very few. Here we go. Well, he waited for us at the stop sign and there was no need to wait. I guess everybody was successful. This is really another one of Jimmy's parade of minions, isn't it? Yeah, what's his girlfriend's name? Lori. Yeah, I didn't know I was supposed to do the guest of honor thing. I wasn't in the loop on that. In retrospect, I think you joked about, well, I thought you were joking about something at the VFW, but I didn't give it another thought. I mean, it's cool and all, but she wasn't even aware that I was supposed to be wearing the sash. I didn't know there was a sash. I thought you were just messing with me. Yeah. So narrating for the YouTube video. Okay, so I have been in Middletown, Pennsylvania with my buddy Jimmy Staunches, and we are on a road up north today. I think it's going to be about 75 miles each way. We started in Middletown, Pennsylvania. We just went through a state park. Don't remember what it was called. And hopefully this is my first, moto vlog with narration. I'll try to learn from here how to put stuff together. The rider in front of me, raise your hand. That's Armando. I don't know if this is his first time on a GoldWing, but both of us traditionally ride dual sport motorcycles. You've seen my other stuff. And he's actually picking up that bike and taking it home and making it his own. And Jimmy wanted me to ride the GoldWing today, and thought it might be okay. Starting from a stop on a hill with this is a little bit challenging till I get a little more used to it. Look at the memorial, the hero banners up on the light poles. Hometown boys, I guess, and girls. There could be girls. Let's see. Mondo's up there standing up on his GoldWing. I'm not up to that yet. Oh, maybe I am. Whoa! Okay, that was nice. I don't know if we're getting fuel or if this is our turn.